Hello friends, this is RK from RK Share Market and Investments. It's a short video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. Tomorrow being an weekly expiry, how it is going to be, which index option to choose, whether it's going to be a call option or put option. All those things will be discussed in this short video. Thanks very much for subscribing my YouTube channel. Please do refer to your friends to help me to grow this a bigger one. This video is created for educational purpose. Consult your financial advisor before investments. Nifty on a 5-minute chart, it was a kind of little gap down opening compared to the previous close, but it started recovering that. So it's a kind of this P side, it did not execute, whereas on the call side it did execute as soon as it crossed this 9,900 mark, and it went up to this 10,000 mark. And also on the reverse side, if you see carefully, like as soon as it reaches the 10,000 mark, the call option has to be closed and it has to be reverse trading has to be taken place. On the other side, the PE option got executed and it gave a kind of very good return. So both side, it was a kind of very good execution strategy. So let us see how the levels were. So on the call option side, during the opening it was 107 and went down to 39 during the middle of the day, and then it reached a high during this afternoon peak when it reached the 10,000 mark. So it gave a kind of very good return of 29, whereas this 45 was during the kind of mid of the day, and then it gave a kind of return of 55 points gained during the day trade. And on the Bank Nifty side, it is almost the same. So it did not go down to the 20,000 mark, and it just started moving up to this 20,500 to 600 level. From there it started dropping and then closed somewhere closer to this 20,200 mark, and that also gave a kind of very good return on the both the sides. And today on the paid Nifty channel, this level was shared and it gave a kind of very good amazing return of around 130 points. It smashed down all the returns. If you want to be a part of this, you can ping me on my WhatsApp or on my Telegram channel, link given on the description. And what resisted a Nifty from going above 10,000 mark? It just touched the 10,000 mark and came down. Earlier it was having a kind of resistance at 950. So you can see at 10,000, 32.5 lakh open interest on the call option side, and this is one of the major reason for resistance. And tomorrow also this 9,900 might give a kind of very good push towards the downside. You can see almost 10 lakh contract added today, so that is why it closed somewhere closer to this 9,900 mark. So tomorrow it might go down further and it might touch this 9,800 to 9,700 mark. So with all might, it might go down to this 9,700 mark. And on the Bank Nifty side, there is no surprise. If Nifty goes down, Bank Nifty might go down, but up to what level? So that is what the question is. So 20,500 is having a huge resistance, so that will push the Nifty down, whereas at 20,000 mark it is having a support. So when it crosses this 20,000 mark, it can go all the way down to this 19,700 to 19,500 mark. So this 19,700 to 19,500 is a must watch level at Bank Nifty. So let us go to the today's tomorrow's recommendation. For tomorrow's recommendation, the today's close is 9,881. So if it goes below this 9,800 mark, you can execute this 9,900 or 9,800 PE. Okay, so if it goes below 9,800, and on the stop loss, and on the other side, if it goes above 9,800 and if it reverses, 9,800 will be the stop loss, and exit for this level will be 9,700. So 100 point will be the target on the PE side. And on the other side, if it crosses above 10,000, then only you can exercise, or can we go little conservative? So whenever you see Nifty above 9,900, you can exercise call option, and target will be 10,000. So whenever it reaches 10,000, you can exit your call option side and you can do the reverse trade. Stop loss will be 9,850 will be stop loss for the call option side. Okay, so let me conclude for Nifty. So whenever it crosses 9,900, you can exercise 9,900 call option for a target of 10,000 mark, and whenever it reaches 10,000, you can exit your call option and you can do a reverse trade. And stop loss for this trade will be 9850. Whenever it drops below 9850, you can exit the trade. And on the other side, if it goes below 9850, you can exercise this 9900 put option for a target of 9750 to 700 with a stop of 9900. Okay. And on the Bank Nifty side, whenever you see this one crosses below 20,100 to 20,000 mark, you can exercise this 20,200 put option or 20,000 put option, and target will be 19,500 to 19,700. So whenever you see that 19,700 mark, you can exit your position and you can do the reverse trade on the call option side. Target is 9,700 and on the other side stop loss will be 20,200. So the put option will be below 20,100 to 20,200 mark. And on the other side, if it trades and strongly above this 20,200, you can exercise 20,200 call option for a target of 20,500 mark. Stop loss will be 20,100. And on the reverse side, if it goes and touches 20,500, you can exit your call option and do the reverse trade. And whenever it crosses below 20,200, which we have already discussed. So the conclusion is for Bank Nifty, whenever you see levels below 20,100 to 20,000 levels, you can exercise 20,200 put option or 20,000 put option for a target of 20,500 to 700 mark. And whenever it touches that level, you can do a reverse trade by taking 20,500 or 19,500, 19,700 call option. Stop loss for this level will be 20,200 on the PE side. And on the other side, if it trades much well above 20,200 to 250, you can exercise 20,200 call option for a target of 20,500. Stop will be 20,100 and target will be 20,500. And whenever it touches 20,500, you can exit your call option and you can exercise the reverse trade. So that is how the strategy is. And if you are very much keen to do a kind of small trades like this, you can definitely look. So this is the time which I took the PE, and I have literally eaten up this profit from this 20,000. Sorry, this is Bank Nifty. So I took trade at this level. After a small drop, gave a confirmation, and then from here I took a kind of trade with a target of this. So gave a kind of 120 to 130 points return in a kind of 20 to 20 minutes time, and also took another trade at this level and then exercised almost a profit up to this level. I have not gone up to this level. I thought it might end up at this 20,400 mark, but it gone very much deep into that. So how to do these kind of trades? If you want to interested, please ping me on my channel or on my WhatsApp and do the trade with cautious and earn the profit in the market. Thanks very much and have a wonderful and profitable expiry day. Bye.